Here at the Popsicles Holi party, and I have to say that it was very well organized. My kids had lots of fun. They had made very nice arrangements, kept everything inside. Safety of the kids was ensured, and kids had a lot of fun. I really recommend their parties, guys.
Event, and we all had great fun thanks to the Popsicles team, and the pool area especially for the kids was very enjoyable.
बहुत अच्छा organized. Yes. Love it. Thank you so much. Yes, it was really fun, very nice. Just say thank you to ma'am. Thank you for nice.
Very fun. I enjoyed this very well, and I mostly liked the games that is.
It was a very good party. Kids enjoyed a lot. The pool was very nice.
Thank you Yashika, Kanika ma'am. It was an amazing event. सारे बच्चों ने बहुत enjoy किया. Thank you so much.
The event was super good. Shiva had so much fun. Even I had so much fun. You can look at my face. What Yashika has done. So everything overall was super. Thank you so much.
बाहों पे राहों पनाहों पे, आहों पे बाहों पे, साहों सलाहों पे